Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today we are doing a head-to-head comparison between Trainual and Whale. We want to know what features they have, what they can actually offer you, and how they will really benefit you. So let's do it. Oh, right, before we start, don't forget to use the link in the description down below to get started with the software. It is an affiliate link, so we will get a small kickback once you've clicked on that, and you'll be helping support our channel. Right, let's do it. Alright, so let's jump into Trainual now. So Trainual is trusted by more than 8,000 small businesses across industries such as real estate, healthcare, marketing, and a bunch more. It also provides comprehensive platforms for documenting your processes, onboarding, and even training your employees. The powerful solution combines standard operating procedures, policies, quizzes, and role-based assignments into one centralized system, making it ideal for organizations scaling from 5 up to 500 employees. You can also see some of their extensive features include their centralized knowledge base. You can create and organize all your company's procedures, policies, and best practices into one searchable hub, ensuring that there is consistent information access. You can also engage employees with multimedia content, including videos, images, and embedded files to enhance your learning retention. And you can monitor completion rates, quiz scores, and identify knowledge gaps with robust reporting, as well as their analytics tools. You can also see over here some of their core strengths include a structured onboarding. It also includes built-in assessments. You also have a course library with more than 380 ready-to-assign courses. You also get the visual org chart, which clarifies roles and ensures accountability with interactive organization charts and built-in e-signature capabilities. Alright, we're looking at Whale now. So Whale is an AI-powered, user-friendly knowledge and training platform, and it offers streamlined solutions for small to medium-sized businesses who are seeking fast, intuitive process documentation and employee onboarding. The platform stands out with its AI writing assistant, its step recorder, and automated onboarding workflows that simplify knowledge management. You can consistently praise Whale for its ease of use, quick setup process, and exceptional customer support that ensures teams can get up and running quickly. One of the very important things that we look at when we review and compare software is how easy it is to actually get started. Because if software is difficult to get started with, why and how is it possibly making your life easier? Moving on over here, you have some of their standout features, including an AI-assisted documentation. So this reduces, of course, all your manual work with intelligent writing assistance and automatic step-by-step process capturing. You can also record your screen actions once, and Whale will transform them into clear documentation automatically. You have gamified training, and this allows your employees to engage with automated role-based training flows featuring interactive quizzes and achievement badges that make learning more enjoyable, and it also increases the completion rates. It makes it feel not so much like you're in training or you're even at work. You can also connect with some third-party applications such as Microsoft OneDrive, Google Drive, Zapier, a bunch more. And the unique search widget allows employees to access knowledge instantly without even leaving their current workflow. The last thing over here is their intelligent search and discoverability. Whale's powerful search capabilities ensure that employees can quickly find the exact information they need, whether it's a policy, a procedure, or even a training module. The platform's intuitive tagging and categorization system, combined with smart search algorithms, reduce time spent hunting for answers and significantly improves productivity. Employees can access knowledge instantly. This minimizes disruptions to their workflow and it saves time. This includes contextual search, smart tagging, and instant access to make sure that this all comes together and saves you time. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed the content. If it was enjoyable, drop us a like. Don't forget to use that link in the description down below. It is an affiliate link. You'll help support our channel. Until next time, take care.